Turmeric and milk have natural antibiotic properties. Including these two natural ingredients in your everyday diet can prevent diseases and infections. Turmeric when mixed with milk can be very beneficial for a number of health problems. This is an effective remedy to fight hazardous environmental toxins and harmful microorganisms. Before we proceed, please subscribe to help promote and encourage this channel. Thanks as you do. Benefits of turmeric milk. 1. Respiratory illness. Turmeric milk is an antimicrobial which attacks bacterial infections, 150 viral infections. It is useful to treat illnesses related to respiratory system, since the spice heats up your body and provides quick relief from lung congestion and sinuses. 2. Cancer. This milk prevents and stops the growth of breast, skin, lung, prostate, and colon cancers, since it has anti-inflammatory properties. This prevents cancer cells from damaging DNA and reduces the side effects of chemotherapy. 3. Anti-inflammatory. Turmeric milk is anti-inflammatory, that can prevent and protect arthritis and stomach ulcers. This is also known as natural aspirin that can cure headaches, swelling and pain. 4. Cold and cough. Turmeric milk is considered as a best remedy for cold and cough due to its antiviral and antibacterial properties. It gives instant relief to sore throat, cough and cold. 5. Arthritis. Turmeric milk is used to cure arthritis and treat swelling due to rheumatoid arthritis. It also helps to make the joints and muscles flexible by reducing the pain. 6. Aches and pains. Turmeric golden milk gives best relief from aches and pains. This can also strengthen the spine and joints in the body. 7. Antioxidant. Turmeric milk is excellent source of antioxidants, which fights free radicals. This can cure many ailments. 8. Blood purifier. Turmeric milk is considered as an excellent blood purifier and cleanser. It can revitalize and boost blood circulation in the body. It is also a blood thinner that cleanses the lymphatic system and blood vessels from all impurities. 9. Liver detox. Turmeric milk is a natural liver detoxifier and blood purifier that boosts liver function. It supports the liver and cleanses the lymphatic system. 10. Bone health. Turmeric milk is a good source of calcium, which is a must to keep the bones healthy and strong. Turmeric milk lowers bone loss and osteoporosis. Recipe for turmeric milk: glass of milk, black small square 1-inch piece fresh turmeric root. If fresh type is not available, then use 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Black small square 2.150 ml or I glass milk. Black small square 3. Boil turmeric and milk for 15 minutes. Black small square 4. Strain the milk, remove fresh turmeric piece out. Black small square 5. Cool it and drink this milk. Thank for watching.